Hey guys, what's up? So this is gonna be my first video in the, or I guess second, but first episode of the YZ build series. And basically this episode is gonna be going over basically everything like that I need to get and all the prices and everything. So basically all the stuff I need is on this list. I forgot the radiator shrouds and the levers, but those will probably be like not that much more. I'm not gonna go all out with the levers and stuff, but first thing I need is clutch basket. That's the most important because clutch basket is destroyed. I'm not even gonna show you, it'll make you cringe. But yeah, I need a new clutch basket. It's unfixable. And then rear axle because the one on it isn't right. It's not the right size. And when you tighten it, basically the wheel doesn't spin. So third thing is fork seals because there's literally no fluid in the forks, and if I run my finger down it, I get fork blowing. But next most important thing is the expansion chamber. I don't need tires that bad, but expansion chamber, not the right one for this bike. It touches the gas tank. It doesn't seal, so it's spraying oil everywhere, and mounting bolts don't line up at all. With the silencer, it's a power cord too. It's alright. Next most important thing, probably radiator shrouds. There's no radiator shrouds on it. It does have brand new radiators though. These are the old ones. Not very good. And then basically gonna put graphics on it. I'm gonna do a factory effects, one of the Patriot kits. And then a Foo Designs seat cover. For the tires, I'm gonna go with R-Tracks because I'm not really going all out on the tires either because I'm not gonna like be racing this thing or anything, but fork seals, Pro X, expansion chamber, FMF of course, and clutch basket and rear axles are just gonna be used parts. So all those come out to about $625, and I've already got 50 for a bunch of OEM parts. This is an OEM, but I got a new gasket, new axle bolt and washer, clutch bolt washer, 2 more clutch bolts and a spring. And I think that's it. Oh, and a push rod bearing. But yeah, that was $50, almost even. So $675 plus. I'll put like probably like 75 or 50 into the levers, brand new grips. Oh, also I have some wheel bearings. Wheel bearings and seals right here. That's the old gasket. Thing's mangled. I'd say that's probably factory. And this thing's at 99. That's been 20 years. So it starts pretty good. Has a good compression. Has a brand new piston in there. I was checking the recent stuff when I tore this down, and the piston is still shiny. So now I think of it, I probably will need a new sprocket. But that's not like, see, there's some broken teeth. That's not that important yet, but eventually I will need a new sprocket. But yeah, I think that's it. The carburetor is really clean. It's got a new touch chip flavor on it. All the brakes work, runs good. Oh, also I'm gonna paint the rims black probably, or blue, like the stock ones, the new bikes, how they're blue. Might do that. And the back shock's good. yeah, that's it. So, sometime this week or next week, I'll start the teardown and I'll record that for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to watch the rest of the series. See ya.